it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with a new nail haul video. I haven't posted one of these in a hot minute, and I have some that I still haven't shared from, I think, May and June, and July is now August. What is it? Today, the 21st. I don't know when this video is going up because I honestly haven't felt like posting in over a month and a bit. And I thought I'd share with you the new goodies I got because I'm about to do my nails. I will have a video coming up with these ones. I did acrylic using the JC Beauty Concept clear acrylic along with the Madame Glam gel polish in Hear Me Roar, which is from their Mother's Day collection, with the nude color as Ballerina for the nude, and some nail art foil that I got. So stay tuned for that video. Hopefully that will be up before the end of September. Wish me luck. I'm just trying to get back into the whole recording thing. But I'm always shopping, as you know your homegirl does. Sorry. But I got my box, which has all this pretty wrapping in. So for me, I live in Canada. If y'all didn't know, now you know. And honestly, everything that I order, like nail supply wise, comes either from Amazon, AliExpress, or some company in the States. Like I order from Madame Glam. I've ordered from JC Beauty Concepts twice now. I have an order from them. I got some from Nuni Torres. I follow him on Instagram. I don't know how to say his name correctly. I think that's it. And I ordered something from nailtime.ca. They're Canadian. They ship out from Vancouver, I believe it is. I'll link them in the description box down below. But they had super cute packs. It was like a really nice wrapped in a blue tissue paper and whatnot. And what I liked about it, it's from Canada, so I'm not paying imports fees or duties or anything like that. And I ordered it on, today's Friday. I ordered it on Tuesday night, like late Wednesday morning, and I got it today. So that was like only 3 days, which was lovely. So me and my daughter kind of already opened this because it is what it is. But I wanted to show you the things I picked up. So the first little thing, which was bundled really nice, was the Caviar set. So I really wanted to do caviar nails. So it comes with a little triangle tray, which is pink, which is cute, along with the little caviar little beads, I guess you want to call it. I don't know how y'all do this, but I'm going to figure it out because this is pretty. I also got another like style of caviar, like glitter jam like this. Hopefully the light is picking it up. Like these ones are slightly smaller than these ones. So yes, I'm gonna have some pretty nails. I also grabbed these bronze and white snowflakes because I don't want to say it, but winter is basically around the corner because March was super long. Like I swear it was like a whole 3 months. Then basically every other month since then has flown by. So winter is gonna be upon us eventually, and I thought this would be fun for like a winter set. I bought the Humbled glitter. See, it's called Nail Time Supply Shop. It's like blue and brown, like glitter. Look, right? Look how pretty that is. This makes me think of MAC Blue Brown Pigment. And honestly, if you've been watching me, if you haven't, subscribe. When I used to do like stupid eyeshadow hauls, not like stupid, like when I say stupid, I mean like a crazy amount of hauls. I used to always buy like a blue brown, like dual chrome shadow because I was like blue brown pigment. Yes. I am currently using this nail glue. I think it's from like, oh, it's from Shoppers. It's almost done. But I wanted to try the KDS Nail Glue. But on Amazon, like, it only came, like, the big packs. And I didn't want to buy that much nail glue. I'm just doing my own nails. And this was, like, $1.25 on the site. Or you could buy it in, like, a pack. So I just got one to try out because, you know, everybody and their mom that does nail videos on YouTube uses this and likes it, so I grabbed it. And plus my other nail glue is almost out. Next is this little bundle. Ooh, these are the glitters. So, hold on, let me open them. Sorry, I should have been like more prepared, but you know, it's what, almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Actually, probably not. I lied. It's 11 o'clock at night on Friday night. So, originally I wasn't planning to order 2 of these because I don't need 2 of the same. But this is called like the 90s. What is it called? Let me get my invoice. Yeah, it's called the 90s glitter mix. And look at it. This honestly made me think of Rugrats and like Raptor. If you don't know, I'm really into 90s cartoon characters. Like I low-key still want to get a sleeve of like 90s cartoon characters like Rugrats, Hey Arnold, Sticking Around, all the classics, you know. But I got 2 of these. Originally I only wanted 1, but you know they're only $4.25, so it's not bad. And I have a couple ideas I want to do with this, so we'll see how that goes. Gotta get my skills up, but I am getting better, if y'all can tell. Not as bumpy, but if I didn't do my nails at like 1 o'clock in the morning, I'd probably have better success. And then I got the highlighter yellow multi-size glitter because I wanted to do like a neon look. This is the neon pink with the Holo glitter in it. This is the neon yellow with the Holo, which is pretty close to the highlighter yellow, in my opinion. It's almost the same thing, but you know, it is what it is. This is the neon blue with the Holo glitter. I'm excited about those. Mainly like this one because, I don't know, that's just my favorite. Next, in this little bundle, she wrapped it so cute. And I say she because I feel like it's a girl. But I got the Fantasies holographic set. It was like $12 for the 2, 4, 6, 8. And originally why I got this is because they had the glitters. And these are like 1 gram, okay? These are, I think, these are 10 grams, right? And when I was looking at the website, I wanted, where is it? I'll show it to you. Pegasus. This is Pegasus right here. Super pretty. They got like a lavender hollow effect to it. But it only had in the 10 grams, and I was like, oh, I don't know if I want all that. Let me just try it out a little bit, you know. Try out all the colors and see what I like. So this one is Pegasus. This is Fairy. Right? I like the little containers they come in because that's super like easy to work with. This one is Purity. Hopefully this is picking up nicely. I'm like using my camera, not my camera, my cell phone because it's easier for this setup. This one is Elf, which is super pretty. This is Utopia. I'm all about the Holo, so we'll see. This one was Mermaid, which would be so pretty, like, as an ombre kind of nail. This one was Atlantis. I think Atlantis would pair really nicely with Elf. What y'all think? I think it'd pair good. Elf is more gold in it. It's a little more, I don't know, slight green. I don't know. I think it'd look pretty together. And the last one is Gargoyle, which is so pretty as well. Like, I just love glitter, guys. Like, honestly, nail glitter, I just love nail glitter. I'm probably going to order these in bigger size, like the 10, because I think they came in 10 and 60 grams, I think. I could be wrong. I can't remember. Next is some more glitter. More glitter. These, hold on, let's open this up. This one is silver octagon, and this is called Glee. Makes me think of a disco ball, like when you'd go roller skating at the rink. This one is dreamy. This one is golden flakes. So there's like gold octagon glitter and like gold flakes in there, like, so that's exciting. This is, what hearts is this? This is, oh, what do I want to call it? Oh, I don't know. These are the Graceful Hearts, I believe, right? Because this one, those I got for Valentine's Day. Like, I know Valentine's Day is like next year, but they were cute. And this is like the girly girl hearts, which I thought would be super cute for like a Valentine's Day nail set. And then this one, I'm pretty sure is the gold hearts one. Look at how pretty that is. That's gonna be so beautiful on the nails. You could mix it with like the Pegasus or whatever, one of those like actual other glitters. Then I got some like transfer foils and nail stickers. So this was like the designer one they had in stock. It has like the Louis Vuitton, the Givenchy, the Supreme. Personally don't know what brand that is. There's Nike, Balenciaga, the Louis again. Also don't know what that brand is. Fendi and Chanel. Right? Because, you know, why not? And then I got some nail stickers. So I got the multicolored Louis Vuitton ones, because I thought those would pair really nice with the 90s glitter mix, as well as like this one, or like even this, because, you know, that would be like a cute set in theory. Then I got the black and white Louis stickers, and then I got the Gucci ones. And the last thing I got, y'all, regular mini nail buffers. I thought that would come in handy with me getting better at like shaping and filing my nails, because if you can see right here, you can see there's a little bit of texture, but not too bad compared to like my first set. And these are 3 weeks old, so I'm about to do them tonight, and I kind of want to use this stuff, so that's why I'm filming this quick haul. I hope y'all liked it. I will link the site down below so y'all can check it out. If you're in Canada or in your states, they do ship worldwide. So yeah, I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye, y'all.